Try to catch me howling at the moon.
The conference was done as a world-class conference. I mean, for your first conference, I'm super impressed with the level of quality.
I'm very impressed. I have no idea that the AI technology community in Poland is so vibrant. It's an honor to be here.
The size and the scale of the conference were really interesting. It was a great experience for me. I learned a lot.
It was valuable for a lot of reasons. Networking was big. You know, having DHL here, C.H. Robinson, you know, I thought was some really good quality speakers that brought us a new perspective.
Amazing, just amazing.